In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove credit card from Taobao. We'll walk through adding a new card for smoother checkout and then how to remove a card you no longer want linked. We'll do everything on a computer for the clearest experience. Start by opening your web browser and heading to taobao.com. Sign in to your account. If the site appears in Chinese, you can use your browser's translate feature to make navigation easier. Once you're in, move your mouse to the profile icon at the top right and click My Taobao, which you may also see as Wo de Taobao. Inside My Taobao, open account settings shown as Zhanghu Shezhu. From there, select Alipay account or Zifu Bao Zhanghu. Taobao will redirect you to Alipay, which is the payment platform that manages your cards for Taobao purchases. Log into Alipay using your Taobao account or via SMS verification. Keep your phone close in case a code is required, and make sure you see the secure lock icon in your browser to confirm you're on the official site. Once you're in Alipay, go to Bank Cards, labeled Yin Xinka, or Cards and Accounts. This is where you'll see all your linked payment methods. To add a new credit card, click Add Card or Tianjia Yin Xinka. Enter the card number, your name exactly as it appears on the card, the expiry date, the security code or CVV, and your billing address. Double check that the billing address matches what your bank has on file and enter the card details carefully. When everything looks correct, click Confirm to save the card. Depending on your bank, you might be asked for an extra one-time code to complete the link. If you want this new card to be used automatically at checkout, set it as your default by choosing Set as Default or Shiwei Mo Ren. You can still choose a different payment method during checkout if needed, but making a default speeds things up. Now, if you need to remove a card, open Alipay.com on your computer and sign in. Go back to the Bank Cards or Cards and Payment Methods section. You'll see your saved cards listed. Click the card you want to remove, choose Unbind or Remove, which appears as Jichu Bangding, and confirm when Alipay asks if you're sure. Once you confirm, the card will be unlinked. Keep in mind that removing a card doesn't affect past orders, and you can always add it again later. That's it. If you don't see updates right away, refresh the page and remember to log out if you're on a shared device.